Hello, my name is Steve Kazan. I'm a trial lawyer from Oakland, California with the firm of Kazan, McLean, Lyons, Greenwood, and Harley. And we specialize in representing people with mesothelioma and other asbestos-related cancers. We're very pleased and honored to have been invited to present 4 poster presentations at the International Mesothelioma Interest Group Conference in Boston this week. This is an international conference of asbestos and mesothelioma expert physicians and researchers from all over the world who gather every 2 years to discuss recent developments. In the entire world, of all the hundreds of papers that have been submitted and approved for presentation, only 4 were submitted by attorneys, and all 4 of those papers are from our firm. We have an interesting combination, all of which are being introduced to you now on video here on this list. The first is drawn from my 20 or more years of experience dealing with asbestos bankruptcy trust funds, the reorganization of asbestos companies, and structuring ways in which their obligations to their victims can best be met with the limited money still available. The other 3 case reports grow out of our representation of individual clients. We focus, of course, on each case one by one and are very concerned about doing the best we can for all of our clients, but we do so with a somewhat broader view. Sometimes these cases have much more important implications beyond the case itself, and we have been invited to present on 3 of these at the International Mesothelioma Interest Group Conference. One, by our associate Justin Basel, deals with a very rare form of mesothelioma called localized malignant mesothelioma. It comes from our work on a case we did recently. It's one of less than 100 cases in the entire world's literature. Another, presented by our associate Will Ruiz, deals with an investigation into just what's in the asbestos from one of America's largest asbestos mines, Union Carbide's Calidria mines in King City, California. And that came out of our representation of a client, and you'll hear about that one. The third involves a client of ours, Mike Hoffine, who died 11 years after his diagnosis with mesothelioma, and whose death was recorded by a physician who didn't really know the facts as irregular lung cancer. This is important because a lot of medical literature is based on the study of case reports, and many of these studies are based on death certificates, and if the death certificate gets it wrong, then the study is not as accurate as it should be. This was an important example to remind doctors that even today, it's critically important that everybody gets it right. I hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you very much for watching. How long was